Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how to play Apex Legends using EA Play app instead of Steam without reinstalling the game onto the EA Play app. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Here is a simple fix for you. Go ahead and first of all, launch the Steam where you have installed the Apex Legends game. Right click on it, choose the option Manage and click on the option Browse Local Files. Now here you will find this Apex Legends folder. Click on this common folder, right click on Apex Legends folder and simply choose the option Copy. Now you need to paste this particular folder right in the directory where you want to install the Apex Legends game. For example, at my end, I want to install the game right in this PC, F drive, EA Games, and right over here I want to install the game. So I have already copied the Apex Legends folder from the Steam directory to this particular folder. When I open this folder, you can see all these files are present which I have copied right from Steam directory to this particular folder where I want to install Apex Legends. After copying the files, right in this folder you need to delete few files that are not related to EA Play. So first one is Crashpad, select it. Second one is Easy Anti-Cheat. Third one is Install Script. Fourth one is R5 Apex. And fifth one is R5 Apex Data.bin. Once you select these three and these two folders, right click and choose the option Delete. Now you have deleted two folders and three files right from the folder where you want to install Apex Legends. Now minimize it, close the Steam. Now launch the EA Play app. Now right in this search box type in Apex Legends to search for the game. Once you find the game, select it. Simply click on the option Download. Now it is asking you to provide the directory. Click on the option Change. Now from here you need to select the directory where you have pasted the folder that you have copied from the Steam. Like in my system, I have pasted the folder right in my F drive and EA Play. You can see right in this EA Games, here is the Apex Legends folder. Even I'll go ahead and open the folder right in front of you. This PC, F drive, EA Games, here is the Apex Legends folder. So you need to select EA Games folder to install the game. Select EA Games folder. Do not select Apex Legends folder. I'm again telling you, select EA Games folder and click on the option OK. Once selected the folder, check mark both these options if you want, or else you can uncheck these options. Now click on the option Next. Now click on the option Download. Now once right over here in this bottom left corner, it is showing installing. Click on these three lines and choose the option Exit. After exiting, again open the folder of the EA Play app, F drive, EA Games, and you can see the Apex folder has just started. Go ahead, select this folder, go ahead and delete this folder. Once the folder is deleted, you are left with only Apex Legends folder that you have copied from the Steam directory. Go ahead, right click and choose the option Rename and rename it to just Apex and hit the enter key. Now close this folder. Now again launch EA Play app. Now after launching the EA Play, go to the library, select your game and you can see you will directly get the option of play. If you do not get the option to play, click on the option Manage and simply choose the option Repair so that it will go ahead and re-verify the integrity of the game files, and if somehow any file is missing, it will go ahead and re-download, and this is how you will be able to play the Apex Legends right into the EA Play instead of Steam without re-downloading the game onto the EA Play app. And one more thing friends, I forgot to mention, right in the Steam directory, once you find the Apex Legends game, if it is showing any kind of update, make sure you update the Apex Legends game and only then copy the folder right into the EA Play directory, else you will not be able to play the game. So make sure first update the Apex Legends and only then copy and paste the files right into the EA Play folder. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.